Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this easy and practical tutorial, we will learn how to reverse the order of a number list in Microsoft Word quickly and professionally. Sometimes you need to change numbered list from ascending to descending order like 1 to 10 to 10 to 1, especially in reports, instructions, steps and structured documents. In this video, we will discover the correct method to reverse numbering using sorting, cart paste techniques and list formatting tools to keep and your document clean and organized. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. Now we can see here a assignment. Now I am write some text like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then I select the text and go to the home menu and make it numbering. Now I am added the numbering. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse, then cut this text. Click right button on our mouse. Then go to the home menu and click the paste drop down menu. Select the paste special and choose the unformatted text. Then click OK. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse and go to the home menu, select the sort. We can see here the descending selected. Now I am make ascending. Go back again, make it descending. Now we can see here the 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I revert the numbering or reverse the order of a number list very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.